Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with September Auto News episode 2. So let's get started. Toyota has launched a new SUV that is Urban Cruiser. It is essentially a rebadged Maruti Vitara Brezza and its price range from 8 lakhs to 11 lakhs. And coming to next one is Ford has launched a special edition variant for its 7-seater SUV Endeavour and it is called as Sport variant. It is based on the Titanium Plus 4x4 variant, priced at 34.45 lakhs, and it is called as Sport variant. It is based on the Titanium Plus 4x4 variant, priced at 34.45 lakhs. And coming to next one is Volkswagen through its latest unveil event has introduced the ID.4, its first fully electric SUV that it claims has been produced with a carbon neutral balance, built on Volkswagen's modular electric drive matrix platform that has been developed specifically for electric mobility. That ID.4 is only the second electric vehicle after the ID.3 from the German automaker. And coming to next one is the Tiguan X is powered by a 2-liter turbo petrol unit that puts out 186 horsepower and 330 nanometer in the lower variants and 220 horsepower 380 nanometers in the top of the line trim level. Coming to the dimensions, the Tiguan X measures at 4764 mm in length, 1859 mm in width and 1628 mm in height and gets a 2791 mm long wheelbase. And coming to next one is the new Tucson is claimed to mark a design revolution for Hyundai as the brand continues to push up market revealed in advance of sales starting later this year. The SUV receives a styling makeover and a raft of new technology. And coming to next one is Kia Sonet is launched on 18 September and Kia Sonet has been a massive hit for Kia in India, with the company selling 9,266 units in just 12 days of September. Kia has confirmed it has received 35,000 bookings for Sonet so far. And friends, now I am going to compare the sales of September 2020 and September 2019. Maruti Suzuki leading first position with the change of 33.9% and Hyundai leading second position with the growth of 23.6% and Tata Motors leading third position with the growth of 162%, Kia leading fourth position with the change of 147.2% and Mahindra leading fifth position with the change of 4%. If you like my content, please like it. Click the subscribe button for more latest videos and updates and tap the bell icon to get notifications directly to your mobile.